So I really wanted to thank Kavita ma'am for the 90 days healathon that I was a part of. उसमें मैम ने बहुत एक्सरसाइजेस करवाए थे जैसे रिमूविंग एंजाइटी फॉर हेल्थ रिमूविंग एंजाइटी फॉर वेल्थ एक्सेट्रा पर मेरे लिए आई थिंक आई वाज आल्सो फोकसिंग अ लॉट मोर ऑन हेल्थ एट दैट पॉइंट इन टाइम एंड दैट वन रियली हैड अ ह्यूज इम्पैक्ट ऑन मी मेरी एक बहुत बड़ी फियर थी about my health, about the well-being of me and my family. तो मैम ने बहुत सारी हीलिंग्स करवाई थी उसको लेकर के एंड अ लॉट ऑफ इन डेप्थ एक्सरसाइजेज रियली so I don't know exactly what the name of those techniques are, so I can't tell you what those names were. But there were a lot of meditations of different types where I was seeing my future, I was seeing myself healthy and happy, I was seeing my family healthy and happy, and उसको इतना मैम ने इंग्रेन कर दिया था कि मुझे सपने भी आने लगे उसके मेरे सपने भी चेंज हो गए थे एक्चुअली क्योंकि पहले बहुत वियर्ड से ऐसे सपने आते थे एंजाइटी से भरे बट देन माय ड्रीम स्टार्टेड गेटिंग बेटर आई स्टार्टेड स्लीपिंग बेटर my colleagues and my friends also noticed the difference in my whole well-being and my mood also really so I felt a lot happier, small little things started happening. I started finding all the food that I needed, all the nutrients that I needed. Like I needed a lot of iron, I needed a lot of protein. So I started finding those a lot more on discounts at supermarkets. Even though, the stuff that I was not planning on eating was sub normal price pe the. But my grocery bill, I would get like bunches of vegetables and my grocery bill aati thi hardly anything in comparison. And these small little miracles started happening. And I मैम ने डाइट को भी लेकर कुछ गाइडेंस दी थी कि लाइक switch out of dairy और ये सब so I started following that, started noticing a difference in my mood, in my alertness, a lot of things. And yeah, I mean, the biggest take मेरी fear थी about my health and well-being, that has completely vanished. Like it's amazing, honestly, because there was this point in time जब मेरे को लग नहीं रहा था कि वो कभी भी छूटेगा. मेरे को लग रहा था I was doomed to live like that, like forever. But yeah, that was a very freeing experience, a very liberating experience. Obviously, बहुत मेहनत मेरी तरफ से भी लगा था, बहुत मेहनत मैम ने भी की थी. But I'm very thankful to her for that. She made me realize a lot of deep intrinsic reasons that would hold a lot of meaning for me to motivate me to keep this freedom in my life. So thank you for that. And it's been I think 3 months since I last did that healathon, and I still feel the effects of it. So it's definitely something that lasts long. It's definitely something that makes a huge impact in your life. And so I would recommend it to anyone who wants to make a huge change in their life. It's a great program. You will love it.
Thank you so much, Yani. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.